All right, this is the Holiday Inn Express in Naples. Well, one of them, yes. This is on Tamiami and some other street that I don't know. Apparently, I got Orleans, as per usual. This is like a common brand here in Florida, at least here in Southwest Florida. Wow, yours are fast. Set down to 2.
Sorry.
No worries.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, probably she's not coming back. Probably wants us down to the first floor. As you can see, there's a swimming pool and a hot tub. Not in the back here. Oh, this one's a little bit brighter. Let's see, the capacity says 3,500 pounds. Here we are at 4. And if at 1. Oh, we're stopping. Hello.
Sorry.
No worries, take your time.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. That's all. And soup. Yes.
Gotcha.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
No worries.
Okay. Have a good day.
You too.
Yeah.